Hi, welcome back to another video from Binks Balustrades. Today we're going to do a review on some Holemaker-Technology products. This company has taken metalworking to the next level. Binks Balustrades are a proud part of their test team where we use their new products in our daily processes to see how amazing they are. HMT are all about time saving. It's as simple as that. They have taken everyday metalworking tools and redesigned them to make them work in a streamlined way. The VersaDrive system has been designed to work with the relevant adapters for the tools that you are using. For example, for steel erectors, all the drills and taps, reamers, hole saws have all been worked to be used on an impact rating tool. For a 1/2 inch driver, 3/4 inch nut runners, the boys in the cherry pickers, they only need one tool to do every single job. So there's no need to be wasting time swapping drills around, dragging extension leads out. It's all there to be done one time. And for the fabricators in the workshop, the use of the mag drills and the pillar drills, all the adapters, they work with these too. So again, there's no need to be swapping machines around on your bench every 2 minutes. It's just a quick switch over the quick release adapters. It's so simple to use, and every tool that's been produced does exactly as it's been designed to do. Nothing is left to chance when it comes to this design process. It's absolutely amazing. So this is the new testing pack that we've been sent. Comes all branded up. It looks absolutely fantastic. It comes packaged, a nice little foam stand. In here we've got a couple of step drills, some turbo tip drills, drills and taps. We've also got a couple of countersunk bits and drill with a countersink that's attached to it. We've also got the new extendable adapter. We've got a rotor broach adapter, and we've got the nut runner and the impact driver adapters as well. So here we've got the Tungsten Carbide hole saw. As I said before, all the adapters, they're all quick and simple. You snap it into place and you're ready to use it. The good thing about these is you've got a Tungsten Carbide rotor broach bit with an attachment that goes into a drill. So you no need for a big heavy rotor broach, no extension leads, no messing about. You basically get this one on, fire it into the drill, and you're straight on it. This is a turbo tip drill. This is one of my favourite things that they've brought out at the minute. So you've got a little tiny step section at the top, so you don't have to pilot drill a hole. You just use one drill bit for one hole, no matter what size it is. So it starts off really small and steps its way up automatically, so you don't have to swap all the drill bits over. Again, slip straight into the nut runner, just like that, and you fire it straight in as one hole, start and finish, no messing about. Ordinarily you'd have to get a pilot drill to start off with a small one and then step it up as you were going from the different hole size. Again, HMT have absolutely smashed it with this one. It's a brilliant idea. So part of this test team pack, we've got the 4 to 22mm step cutter, we've got the turbo tipped drill bit, we've got the Tungsten Carbide hole saw, we've got the drill tap, we've got the step cutter 4 to 22mm, we've got the drill bit with a built-in countersink, which is a fantastic idea, and we've got the mini countersink for little small countersinking holes. One of the best things about these products is the adapters. They're all exactly the same for the VersaDrive system on the end, but they've all got their own adapters which go in their own relative tools. So you've got an 1/2 inch gun adapter, you've got a tech screw gun adapter, you've got the extension which just goes into the end of there, and you've got the rotor broach adapter as well. So like I say, these adapters are all brilliant. One tool for one job, and you can use multiple drill bits in each of these adapters. It's absolutely fantastic idea. We've also been sent the Speed Lube, which to me is the daddy of all lubricating oils. It sticks to the workpiece much better than traditional soluble oil or paste, and don't get flung about when you're working with the tools. So there we have it. Everything I've showed you today just works perfectly. I would highly recommend all of this kit to all metal workers, both fabrication shops and on site. If any suppliers want us to review any of their products or have any questions about these products that we reviewed today, please drop us an email at contact@binksbalustrades.co.uk, and thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.